Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me we have the gold over the US dollar chart. In today's trading session we finally come into contact with that 1700 level. As you can see, that's where the green line is on this chart. I said that this was an area where we were likely to target. We went to 1707 during yesterday's trading session, and I said that it may be that the traders still want to for gold to hit 1700. So we went down to 1700 exactly, and since then we've skyrocketed, well, not skyrocketed, but we've had a bounce all the way up towards 1719. So we've paired 19 points. Where do we go from here though? Well, I think that that offered a fantastic buying opportunity earlier on during today's trading session. I myself bought down at 1710, and I will now ride it up towards the mid 1700 level. So roughly this area here, we could even see a nice bounce up towards 1800. One interesting development though that has happened during today's trading session is this: we've had a bearish crossover with a 50-day EMA piercing below the 200-day EMA. Now the last time this happened was a very long time ago. Let's just see if my chart will let me go back far enough to see it. It doesn't look like it. Never mind. Oh, actually, as you can see, it's been a very long time. This is going back towards 2019, and we've still yet to get a bearish crossover. But we had a bullish crossover here, and that sparked a huge rally towards the upside, as you can see. And then obviously the last bearish crossover that we had was in June 2018. So it's been a very, very long time since we've had that bearish crossover. And what that does, guys, that indicates that there could be, a more medium to long term decline here in the gold market. So that is a game changer in itself. That is a technical signal saying, potentially that the gold markets could go lower. That being said, though, short term, I'm still a buyer. I think that we will see a bounce. Why? Well, that's because the RSI is telling us that we are oversold in the short run. So I think right now, you can expect a bounce to at least 1750. So I would be a buyer at this current area. Stop loss just below 1700, which is also below the bottom of this holding pattern that we've been trading in all the way since September. But look for a bounce, and then eventually I think that we will continue our decline even lower, maybe testing down towards 1600. But it's not going to happen tomorrow, especially with the RSI as low as it is. It will take some time.